Hi guys, I'm Chef Charity, and today we are going to put together an Arctic Peppermint Cake. I have my cake wheel and what I call a prep board, which is a little circle of Masonite that's larger than the cake I'm gonna put on it. Cake circle, cardboard. Woo. All right, we have our 8-inch Death by Chocolate cake. Recipe should be attached to this, and we did a class previously on making this kind of chocolate cake and even how to do it gluten-free if you'd like to. It is refrigerated, so it is cold. It is not frozen. I don't like freezing my cakes. There she goes. There's a parchment on the bottom. Okay, flip that around. Now we're gonna cut 3 layers of cake, serrated knife, and I like to score it. Let's do it towards you. I score it and then score it again. And then if I need to cut off the top, I cut off the top. So there's my scores. Then I go around and score the whole cake. Notice how I'm moving the cake, not my knife. Similar to the way you should actually use scissors, is you move the paper and not the scissors. So move the cake, not the knife, and that's how it stays perfectly even. You start doing this action, and that's how you get wavy cuts, and yeah, you don't want to do that. Okay, now let's get the top cut off here. Okay, there's a yummy scrap right there. And so now I'm just pushing it through more as I turn it to get through the whole thing. Okay, but I'm still moving the cake. You see, I'm not doing any kind of sawing motion. The serrated knife will do its job, and it does it well. I have a dumb pastry brush, not a nice one, and I get my pesky crumbs off with that guy. Now that our cake is cut, we're going to soak it with a simple syrup. Because this is an Arctic peppermint cake, we're going to use our Nielsen Massey Pure Peppermint Extract. I have some simple syrup here, which is 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar cooked together, just to a boil, and then it's let cool. Oh, it smells so good. Yummy. Okay, a little of this does go a long way, so don't overdo it. A little bit. So yummy. Oh my goodness. Okay, now take a nice pastry brush, not the dumb one. Stir it up. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you had smelling capabilities. All right, so we're just going to brush the cake. I don't want to soak it. This is not like a rum cake. This helps, it has a few purposes. 1, keeps the cake from getting dry. 2, it adds an extra layer of flavor in your cake. Got a little bit on the board here.